Today, we're gonna be drawing a Christmas tree with ornaments and gifts. So when we get started, you need a paper, and we're gonna use this type of tree that you paint green. And first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put this down, and we're gonna stamp this onto the paper. And next, after you're done with this, what you do, you let this dry 1 or 2 minutes, and then you take some paint and you just dip dots onto the tree so it looks like ornaments. And then you take your yellow and make a star at the top of the tree. So let's open it and see what happens. Now after you're done doing this, it'll turn out like this or something like that. Now, you take your yellow. What you do with your yellow, you make a little point, then you make another point, to make this star. Then after you're done making your star, you put the yellow away, and then what you do, you take red. You make dots all over the place of red. Put a dot here, maybe a dot here. Like you put them in different places. You can also put them inside of the tree. Then after that, you take your blue or your yellow and you put some more into the picture. And then I'm going to take my yellow and put some dots onto it too. Now what we're going to do, we are going to write Merry Christmas on the top. So what you do, you take your pencil and you write Merry Christmas. And now we're going to write Christmas. And now, since we're done with that, we're going to take our red marker and trace over it. Now we're gonna make some presents. Take your pencil and you just make boxes. Then what you do is you make a ribbon like this. Make 2 bows, then it comes down and it comes down. You can make how many you want. I'm making 2 on each side. Maybe 3 on this side because this side has this. Then after you're done with this, you make little stars. Now, what we're going to do, take our pencil and do a plus. And then take it and go opposite and opposite. Like like you make an X on the plus. Then that's one star. Then your second star is going to be the same thing. If you make your plus, you go down, and then you go down. And you keep doing this as much as you want. And then you do it on the other side. And then after you're done making your stars, take your red and you make the ribbons. And after you're done making the ribbons, we are going to take our yellow and we're going to make the stars yellow. Now, you can color this if you want, but after you're done with that, you take your yellow and you make the stars. And then we're gonna do the other side now. Those are your stars. Now, before we end this video, we are going to take some colors out and we are going to color the presents. First, we're going to take the pink. So, the other color that we're going to do this present is going to be the brightest yellow, like this type of yellow. And now, if you want, you can also paint it. But I'm usually gonna color it. Now we're gonna take our bright yellow and do it. This present color will be, I think it might be green. And now, other color we're gonna do is blue. Now we're gonna do blue. This is a type of blue that kind of looks like purple too. Now, the last color we are going to do is, now we are going to do yellow. Toys from Heaven. Thank you for watching Toys from Heaven.